Ah, the good old pull-up. Probably one of the hardest exercises that demonstrates overall body strength. Especially if you're never gifted with the raw talents of a Chad. You know who you are out there. You can do them with no effort. You know exactly who you are out there. Are you talking to me? Yes, I'm talking to you. So if you've never done your first pull-up before, don't worry, that's why I'm here. I'm just your friendly neighborhood trainer. God damn it, now I just sound like stupid Spider-Man. God damn it! So in this video, I'm gonna show you exactly step by step on how you can get your first pull-up. Hey everyone, it's Terry. Welcome to the channel. If you're new here, be sure to give me a thumbs up because this video is gonna help you get that first pull-up, and then you can show off to your friends and family on how strong you can actually get. And you can be strong, trust me. And also think about subscribing to the channel if you're into fitness content and you need fitness tips and advice. I'm gonna be putting out that content on here on this channel, as well as some tech content. So it's gonna be a mixture of fitness content and some tech videos with some unboxing and some reviews. Let's get you started on how you can get your first pull-up. So the first mistake that many people make when attempting a pull-up is just running up to the bar thinking they're Superman, Batman. Remember, you're not Chad. You're probably just gonna end up looking like a dead fish hanging off a bar. So try not to do that. So the pull-up requires more than just arm strength. I get this all the time. Every time someone comes to me saying, hey Terry, I want to learn how to do a pull-up, they automatically think that they need arm strength. Just because you have arm muscle, it doesn't mean you're going to be stronger at doing a pull-up. So let's break this down into 5 steps on how you can actually get your first pull-up. Now, it doesn't mean that after doing these 5 steps, you check off the boxes, you're going to be able to do your first pull-up. Remember, a pull-up is an exercise, and in any exercise, it requires skill. It requires strength, of course, but at the same time, it requires practice. So give it some time, go over these 5 steps, make sure you're practicing them, make sure you're strengthening your body, and over time, you're gonna get your first pull-up because you're doing the right exercises that's actually gonna help you get your first pull-up, and not just doing bicep curls and thinking that having arm strength is gonna get you your first pull-up. So when it comes to the first step of learning how to do a pull-up, the most important thing that a lot of people tend to neglect is to strengthen their core. Now, you wanna strengthen your core because if you actually get your body nice and tight during the pull-up, especially if you're working against gravity during the pull-up, if you know how to engage the whole body, the easier it's gonna be to pull yourself up. Now, if you don't have a strong core, you're gonna end up just dangling there like a fish. That's not how you wanna do a pull-up. So here are the best core exercises that I recommend you to do that's gonna correlate to doing a pull-up. So the hollow hold is one of the best core exercises to mimic the position you're gonna be in while you do the pull-up. You wanna try to maximize this hold and hold it for a full minute if you can. If not, then this is too hard. Get yourself into a regular plank like this. And same thing with these, you wanna work yourself up to a full minute while holding the plank. And if you wanna get even more basic in terms of your core strength, you get down into a dead bug position to start off, where you drop the heels here and then you just bring your leg back up. So step 2 to this process is building that back muscle that's gonna help give you the strength to actually pull yourself up. Here are some back exercises that's gonna help develop your back strength and also build some back muscle. First exercise I recommend here is a TRX row. Now you wanna work your way up doing 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 15 reps on these. And then the next exercise here is going to be a single arm dumbbell row. As you can see, this is a home setup. You can also do these in the gym. Work your way up to 3 to 4 sets of 10 to 12 reps, maybe 30 to 35 pounds. Then you have your lat pull downs, of course, and then your seated rows. As you can see here, these can also be done in the gym with the machine. So now that we actually developed some back strength and some back muscle and some core strength, we're going to move on to step number 3, which is practicing hanging from the bar. Now there are 2 types of hang that you want to practice hanging from the bar. So the first one here is a basic passive hang where you're just holding onto the bar and you're just holding yourself up without any tension. You want to hold about 30 seconds to a minute. The next one here is an active hang. So as you can see, I'm pulling my shoulders back and you're creating that tension. Same thing here, 30 seconds to a minute hold. Alright, we're almost there to learning how to do your first pull-up. So here's step number 4, which is doing eccentric pull-ups. And eccentric pull-ups basically just means you're learning how to create tension throughout the entire movement. So that way you don't just flop after doing the first rep, right? We're not just here to learn how to do one pull-up, we're here to learn how to do multiple pull-ups. So with eccentric pull-ups, grab a chair so that way you could just jump on top of the pull-up bar and then you start with your chin over the bar, come down nice and slow. I definitely recommend you to start off by doing a neutral grip like you see here with palm facing each other, or you do this chin up version where you have your palm facing you. Now doing a regular pull-up eccentrically is going to be tough, so start off with these 2. If you got into this part of the video, I just want to say thank you for watching all the way through. Now this is step number 5, and we're going to actually do a full pull-up with some assistance. So what that means is you're going to attach a band to the bar, and it's going to give you some assistance while you go through the full range of motion. So with assisted pull-ups, you want to get yourself one of these heavy bands and loop it through the bar, as you can see here. And then you want to pull the band all the way through. and you want to set up with a chair or a box that you could just get yourself on top of, and then from here you can either put your knee into the band or you can put your leg into the band as well and step on it, and then you want to cross the other leg behind it or in front of it. And same thing here, you want to work on getting the neutral grip first, and then here's a chin up variation that you want to start practicing before you actually do the full regular pull-up. And then as you get better, you can actually work onto a lighter resistance that's going to help you less in the pull-up. So as you can see here, this one is a lighter assistant band as I set up the green one here. And same thing, you just put your leg through, make sure you cross the other leg either in front of it or behind it, and you do your pull-ups from there. So have that as a goal for you to actually achieve your first pull-up. It's actually a great goal to have. I have it with a lot of my clients, especially the females out there, because they feel like they can never do a pull-up and it's only for men. No, it's not. For you ladies out there, you guys can also do pull-ups. And trust me, sometimes I've seen girls do better pull-ups than guys. All right, so with that being said, I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope you find this tutorial helpful. If you did, once again, please make sure you hit that thumbs up button. And also leave a comment down below on what other exercises that I can go over for you in a tutorial format like this, or any other fitness topic that you want me to discuss. And also leave down a comment below of any tech ideas, tech videos that you'd like to see in the future, because I am gonna try to add some of that in there. I don't want this channel to be strictly a fitness related channel, because I feel like I do that enough on all my other social media pages. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you guys next time in the next video.